A diplomatic row has erupted between US President Donald Trump and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni after Trump claimed she begged him for a photo during the recent G7 summit in France. Trump also said Meloni was doing poorly in popularity and accused her of not supporting US efforts to stop Iran from developing a nuclear weapon and said she had created a great logistical inconvenience by restricting the use of Italian air bases for American military operations linked to Iran. Melanie strongly rejected all claims, calling them completely fabricated and senseless. In an Instagram statement, she said she was frankly stunned, questioned why the US president was behaving this way toward allies, and added that this was not the first time such remarks had been made. She directly responded, "My popularity is none of your concern. I suggest you focus on yours." She also reiterated Italy's position on military cooperation, stating that the use of Italian bases is governed by established agreements that Italy has always respected and which cannot be violated under her leadership. Earlier, she had also insisted neither I nor Italy ever begged.
Dunque, certe cose meritano una risposta immediata. Le dichiarazioni di Donald Trump sono dichiarazioni totalmente inventate, sono francamente allibita, non so perché il Presidente degli Stati Uniti si comporti così con i propri alleati, non è del resto la prima volta che accade, posso solo dire che dispiace che non abbia la stessa determinazione con i nemici dell'Occidente, con i nemici degli Stati Uniti, con leadership con le quali invece si dimostra molto più accondiscendente, però una cosa se la deve ricordare: io e l'Italia non imploriamo mai.
The exchange escalated after Trump's phone interview with an Italian TV channel where he claimed Melanie begged for a photo and that he agreed out of sympathy. The broadcaster aired a dubbed version of the remark, which further fueled the controversy. Italy reacted strongly, with Foreign Minister Antonio Tajani cancelling a planned trip to the United States and calling Trump's remarks offensive. Across Italy's political spectrum, leaders voiced support for Melanie, arguing that the comments were disrespectful and damaging to bilateral ties.
Negligenze, ma come sapete purtroppo ci sono state delle dichiarazioni del Presidente degli Stati Uniti molto gravi e offensive nei confronti del Presidente del Consiglio italiano, e ho dovuto prendere la decisione di annullare la mia visita negli Stati Uniti prevista per lunedì e martedì prossimi, perché non possiamo pensare che qualcuno offenda l'Italia così come ha fatto il Presidente degli Stati Uniti.
The dispute also follows earlier tensions this year, including Trump's criticism of Melanie's stance on the US war in Iran and his remarks about other European leaders and even Pope Leo, which Melanie had previously called unacceptable. Once seen as one of Trump's closest European allies, having been the only EU leader to attend his 2025 inauguration, Melanie's relationship with him has now visibly deteriorated over disagreements on Iran, Ukraine, tariffs, and military cooperation. This incident has further highlighted a broader shift in Europe, where leaders who once aligned closely with Trump are increasingly willing to publicly challenge and push back against Washington's positions.